The reason why I became an architect, I think it happened when I was around 7 years old. Our house have a big renovation. And there was one morning I was half asleep in bed. And then the construction workers already started. And because I refused to get up, they demolished my bedroom wall, like take it all out. And all of a sudden I'm in this bedroom with no walls. And I can see the mango tree through it. And I realized like, wow, this room or environment that I'm living in, it's so easy to change. My name is Kulapat. I am an architect and we're sitting here in my studio in New York City. Strong space makes strong conversation with art. You're generous, you allow painting and sculpture and furniture to come in. You allow them to communicate with people. And it could mean wonderful light, sense of welcoming, sense of elevation in terms of uplifting quality. I have quite a few pieces, and I would not call myself a collector, for shame of the real collectors. I do love to have art and live with art, especially the work that allow me to ponder deeply, my moments in life. The artists I like are Rockefeller. I also own a few pieces by Gabriel Orozco. He's a Mexican artist that I really admire. I live with one of his big piece in my house in Venice Beach, which I look at every day, and it gives me so much joy, even though I've been with it for at least 10 years. Art or design architecture are, the subjects allow us to ponder what life is about, the why of life and the how of life. Like, why do we live and how do we take advantage of the time on earth and be able to, contribute to the culture or the ongoing history of mankind. And so I tend to look at art and even furniture for that purpose in terms of innovation, but more about the message that the artist put within that work. I was in love with graphic design, I love art, and I was thinking about, in terms of the creativity field, where should I fit in? I also like to collaborate, I like to engage with other people, so architecture is kind of a platform to shelter, to host other art forms and collaborate together too. I really want the architecture or the work that I do, whatever it is, to really empower people, to allow people to flourish, through their own curiosities, through their living and comfort and happiness, to their connection to people. So I think architecture can do all of these. There's no time like now that we need philosophy and art more than ever, because it allows us to stay true to who we are, why we live, why we connect with each other, and what we're trying to get to.